What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we're going to do a first-time reaction for Skasta Klee. Yes, we received a request to react to his newest official music video of Since Day One, featuring Flo G. I know Skasta Klee as the partner of Zainab, guys, but hindi ko rin kilala si Flo G. So this is the first time I'm going to react and listen to his music. But before I proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1. I go. Here it is, guys. Since Day One. Hindi na pala sila ni Zainab, guys. Super tagal na pala rivalry. Charot, kasalanan si Zainab. Ay, parang PDD party naman ang datingan. Pero magaganda-ganda niya na ba ikaw pa rin na maybe ko, mga ganyan.
Binabawi ko na di ko pala kayang mag-isa at solo. Gusto kong samahan mo ko. Minsan lang magbihis dahil okay na sa sandot polo. Pero ngayon nakatoto para kung dumating ka sa party.
In fairness, I love the vocals of Skasta kasi very sweet yung vibe. And also, ang ganda ng lyrics in fairness, clear, very clear at naiintindihan. Love the party vibe.
Akalain mo nga buenas ko pa rin kasi naging kaibigan ka.
Oh, it's about friends. In fairness, ang ganda ng music video, guys.
Meron akong importanteng sasabihin. Ngayon lang ako magiging kampante.
Love this fisheye effect. Ay, nako. Sino ba to? Sino song he's loving since day one at alam niyang the one? Loving you since day one. Is this Flo G?
Bago lumabas maaroma. Dama mo sa ora malakas walang boka. Bolen ako kahit walang bola. Yung pananamit daw.
I love how they rap. Very chill vibe lang, no? And the beat of the song, nakakakalma.
Pakayabang sobra. Tadatong sa'yo na lang di makaporma.
Gusto ko yung bonnet niya. Sparkling.
Sa mata ko makinang ka pa rin. Kaya nakasalamin, nakatingin. Di halata, kakatingin. Yung pagtingin ko lumala. Hirap kontrolin talaga na di ko madama. Lalo na magkandito ka na. Solid na katrop.
Astig. I love it. And kahit mabilis sila mag-rap, naiintindihan.
Malangat ka pero gusto na ma-switch. Maging kaibigan na ma-sweet. Halata naman sa trip. Nakatodo ibang klase ka na chick. Di naman anong una ka na meet. You're loving, loving.
Hey!
Since day one. Noon pa lang alam ko na ikaw na yun.
But hindi ba synthesize yung vocals, guys? You can comment down below. Kasi parang yung, synthesize yung part ng chorus. Or is that the backup vocals? Ooh. Ganda ng music video, in fairness. Galing ng editing. Ooh. Ang cute, tas may mascot pa. Ganda pa ng cinematography. Love it. Ito, ang ganda ng ganyang edit. Love it. Galing ng editor. Love the music video too. Hey! There you have it, guys. That is Skasta Klee's Since Day One featuring Flo G. What a chill vibe kind of song. And I love the party vibe, the beat of the song, and especially the music video. Ang ganda. In fairness naman, laban na laban ang music video for today. And the vocals, of course, we know Scott Clee's vocal, like very thin and sweet rap vibe ang dating. And Flo G as well, ah. In fairness, first time ko napakinggan si Flo G na nag-rap and iba rin yung vibe, almost the same as Kasta, pero yung bilis pero naiintindihan. So overall I love it. I enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for requesting this one, guys. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And kung meron pa kayong mga requests about Flo G or Skasta Cleese, you can comment down below so we can check that out for you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.